Hello everyone, myself Pushpendra Kumar. I am from Drona Education. Today I will discuss with you how can we install Turbo C++ in Windows 10 operating system. Firstly, we will click on the web browser. We will type www.dronaedu.info. After that, you will click on online courses, click on C and C++ language courses. A web page will be appeared. You will click on this button, click here to download. Your file will be automatically downloaded. Click on show all button. Open the folder. Copy. Paste on the desktop. Right click on this file. Please don't forget, firstly you will install WinRAR application in your laptop or desktop. Extract file. Select this folder. Click on copy. Open C drive and paste here. Open this folder. Click on this icon. Click on send to. Create a shortcut on desktop. Click on this icon. This is Turbo C++ interface for Windows 10 operating system. For more latest updates and news video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and please keep in touch with us and my Facebook page. I will discuss all the latest update and some good program and some relating queries when we are working on Turbo C++ compiler or other compiler. I will discuss maximum query with you. Please like our Facebook page also.